Sarosh, give it up for him and give it up for the band. They're already in position. You know, that's how you know veterans. Veterans are like, bro, अपन time बाद नहीं लेते, अपन आ जाते हैं time पे, audience भी आ जाती है, अपन भी आ जाते हैं. I think that is something you gotta learn from the veterans. Man who's been playing stages for over 30 years. Give it up for them, man. This is amazing. So I'm not so sure if you know your like Hindi song requests are gonna fly, but can
cross the line, but come my way. I've hypnotized, there's no place I'm going. Gotta realize you don't mean all you say. You're carrying your ghost inside you, like a curse around the treasure. Can't tell what I'm loving now, baby. Ain't no pleasure. Make it so heavy. A step at a time, let's take it day by day. I'm mesmerized by all that you tell me. Gotta realize you don't mean all you say. You carry your ghost inside you, like a curse around the treasure. Can't tell what I'm learning now, baby. Ain't no pleasure. ऐसे जोशीले गीत सुनाओ, तेरे गीतों को सुन के सभी बोले, है ये वक्त का इशारा, है अपना ऐसे जोशीले गीत सुनाओ, तेरे गीतों को सुन के सभी बोले, है ये वक्त का इशारा, है अपना Chile git sognavo, nelle dito non c'è che sabione. Hey, dai, Sara,
than me. She's more, introverted and in her own space. So one day we were sitting next to each other और कई दिन हम साथ में बैठे और हम अपनी जोन में थे, ये अपने जोन में थी, मैं अपने जोन. Finally I was like, so Tripti, what's up, this, that, थोड़ा बहुत, and then finally